How to do and where to find this Add Your sticker right here. Top 6 favorite moments from this year Instagram chain story. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. Welcome to World of Apps. So first of all, I want you to go to your Instagram app and then from there click on the search icon from the bottom of the screen and search for Ali and John YTT. So this is the place where you will find that Add Your sticker. Now from here you will have to go to December Add Yours at highlights, which is here, and then you will have to tap until you find your favorite Add Your sticker. So there we have it. Click on the Add Yours button. And if you are not able to click on the Add Yours button, or if you are not able to if the highlights are not loading, then you just have to go to the description box below, and there you will find some useful tutorial that will definitely help you, so make sure to check those. Now you just can go to your uploads and choose 6 photos from this year. I will go ahead and do that. I will go with this one. This is just an example for you guys. I will add just one photo, but if you want to add more than one photo, you just have to go to stickers from the top, scroll down, and click on this button right here, and it will get you to the gallery once again. Make this photo smaller by using your 2 fingers and add your second photo. So now you just have to share this with your friends. Guys, you can comment in the comment section down below if you like this video, if it was useful. You can also like it and subscribe to the channel for more updates and for some more videos like this one, so you can turn on the notification bell and you will be notified once I will post another video. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.